And now the Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ, has called on governments at all levels to include journalists in premium health insurance schemes to enhance their welfare and safety. The appeal was made during the presentation of financial support by the Gombe State Government to families of 7 journalists who lost their lives in a tragic motor accident. And Trust TV's Hassan Lawan Koli reports.
While witnessing the donation of the sum of 2 million naira each, amounting to 14 million naira for the bereaved families, the Nigeria Union of Journalists commended the Gombe State Government for the compassionate gesture. The union, however, stressed the urgent need for journalists across the country to be enrolled in premium health insurance schemes to reduce medical and emergency costs, especially in cases of accidents sustained in the line of duty.
But we believe we need to come up with a strategy that is going to go a long way in reducing the way we lose our members. One of the strategies is for us to prioritize issues of health insurance and life insurance for practicing journalists. I want to sincerely appeal to His Excellency. I can recall vividly in the past we have life insurance for practicing journalists, and Gombe happens to be the first council in Nigeria to implement it. By this year, likely around March, we are coming off with the new insurance premium for all practicing journalists in Nigeria.
Presenting the donation, the secretaries to the state government, Professor Ibrahim Abubakar Jodi, said the state government was deeply saddened by the tragic loss, describing it as a painful blow not only to the families but to Gombe State as a whole. He prayed for the peaceful repose of the souls of the deceased and asked God to grant their families the strength to bear the irreparable loss.
His Excellency has directed that I should arrange for a token for you to, of course, in official climb we call it burial expenses. Whether it will be enough or not, but then that is his kind gesture. He wish he can give more. He directed that we should look for individual's account, but our concern now is we are giving the debt. If we now collect the account numbers of the debt, it will not, by the time it comes back, then the burial ceremony would have been over.
In his remarks, the General Manager of Nigerian Television Authority NTA Gombe expressed appreciation to the state government for the timely intervention, describing the donation as a demonstration of empathy and solidarity with the journalism community.
I'm so happy with the way he responded, because I was confused. I didn't even know who to call. But immediately I told him, he asked me the location. Before I know it, the road safety people were there, the police people were there, and the injured were immediately rushed to the hospital. Then later on, the other people who died were also rushed to the hospital.
Representatives of the deceased journalist families also thanked the government for the support, noting that the assistance will help cushion the immediate hardship faced by the family. They offered prayers for the state leadership and appreciated the government for standing by them in their moment of grief.
Kindly extend our sincere gratitude and appreciation for His Excellency. I also want to thank all the members who participated from day one up to this moment to come to the aid of the families of the deceased people. I also want to plead, if possible, and that one is personal. I saw some of them having small kids. This should be the beginning. It shouldn't be one rain and it ends there. Those kids, sometimes they need support. I would have loved a situation whereby, from time to time, the government will remember the children, either by sponsoring their education or assisting them directly or indirectly.
As the journalism community continues to mourn its fallen colleagues, the donation by the Gombe State Government is being seen as a meaningful step toward easing the burden of the families and renewing calls for improved welfare and safety measures for journalists nationwide. Hassan Lawan Koli, Trust TV News, Gombe.